So in this video what we're going to do is practice combining like terms, and I encourage you, before I do any of these problems, I encourage you to pause the video and try them yourself. So let's start with the first one. Let's say we have So in this video what I want to do is practice combining like terms, and before I do any of the problems I encourage you to pause the video and try it yourself. So let's start with the first one. So before I do it, once again, I encourage you to pause the video and try this yourself. Alright, so assuming you did that, so let's do this together. So we have x plus 3x plus x. So these are all the same, these all have the same variable, which is x, and therefore we just add the coefficients. So we have 1x plus 3x plus 1x, well that would be 5x, and that is the answer. Alright, let's try another one. So let's say we have x, x plus 4x plus 1. Alright, so we're gonna see if any of these have the same variable. So in this case, x and 4x have the same variable, so we can turn that to 5x, and we can't forget about plus 1. And here we can see if, we can check again if there's anything with the same variable. Well, 5x and 1 are not the same. 5x can represent, for example, 5 chairs, and 1 is just the number 1. So we leave it as 5x plus 1. Let's try one more. Let's say we have 3x plus 4x plus 9 plus 3y plus 7y. So this one's a little bit long, so I encourage you to pause the video here and try this yourself. Alright, let's do it together. So we have 3x plus 4x, so we're going to work with the first two. Well, those are indeed the same variable, so that turns into 7x. Let's rewrite the whole thing. Plus 9 plus 3y plus 7y. Okay, we're going to look around, see if there's any other same variables. So right here we spotted another one. They're both y's, so we can add those two. So 3y plus 7y is 10y. Okay, and then we rewrite whatever we had behind that. Okay, so let's see, 7x plus 9 plus 10y. We cannot combine 7x plus 9 because 7x is, for example, 7 chairs or 7 unknowns plus 9, and 9 is just the number 9, so those can be combined. We cannot combine 7x and 10y because x and y represent two different things, and we also cannot combine 9 and 10y for the same reason. So this right here is our answer. And after this, so right now I encourage you to download the worksheet we have after this video, and I encourage you to do the problem set and check your answers right after.